Hi everyone and welcome to Tip Time Thursday. Today I'm just going to talk a little bit about how and why I started PoHuLocal, where it came from, and what I'm hoping to do. I moved to Port Hueneme from the San Fernando Valley. I actually moved in July of 2014, but escrow closed in March, and the time in between I was fixing up the condo because it was kind of a mess. When I moved here, I immediately fell in love with Port Hueneme, and I wanted t-shirts and jackets and all that kind of stuff, and I couldn't find them anywhere. It was always in the back of my mind to start a t-shirt business selling Port Hueneme stuff because I couldn't find any that I liked anywhere. And one day I was playing around online and I got a 2-week trial of Shopify, and PoHuLocal was born. I now sell Port Hueneme t-shirts and beach towels and mugs and hoodies and even some socks. And I'm really careful that all my products don't hurt the environment. I choose to sell only things that are made in America because I want to make sure that everything's kind of protected by the EPA. Although it's not perfect, it does make sure that businesses are not polluting the land and they're not violating child labor laws. I'm pretty careful about what I sell. I think with the exception of just one t-shirts, they're all made in America and they're all printed in the United States. So I'm real proud of that. I don't want to leave a nasty footprint. I think it was last year I started doing decluttering and organizing. This is something that I've done all my life. My real job, I get kind of paid for decluttering and organizing at a major home retail store, and it's something I'm really good at, and I'm proud to have added that service this year. I just wanted to invite you to take my free day 7 challenge that's on my website. You can declutter one whole area in an easy 7 days. It's not stressful. It's really fun. Just check out my website at www.PoHuLocal.com, and you can subscribe to my newsletter where I give weekly decluttering tips and cleaning tips, and you can take the 7-day challenge and clear one total area. Thanks for joining me.